METALWORKS Blades Classics establish visual depth with excellent acoustics for an open plenum feel with a multitude of RCP patterns to choose from. I'm going to walk you through the simple installation of this powerfully adaptable, acoustical standard metal ceiling system. Here's just a few of the layout patterns available for you to choose from. Let your imagination run wild with METALWORKS Blades Classics. 3 colors and 6 wood looks effects finishes are available standard. Standard Prelude main runners are hung on 4-foot centers, combined with 4-foot cross tees in 4 layouts that are dictated by the unique Blades RCP pattern that you choose. The Blades attachment clip comes in stainless or black oxide finishes. Only 2 clips suspend each blade from the Prelude grid. Blades are available in standard 2, 4, and 8-foot nominal lengths. Regardless of blade length, only 2 clips are required, but they should be balanced and spaced equally to the right and the left of the blade's center point. Screw the clip to the blade for seismic installations, or if the clip is located closer than 4 inches from the blade's end. Pre-mark your clip placements along your mains and cross tees. The minimum spacing between 2 blades is approximately 1 3/16 inches. Clips positively click into place, even at grid intersections. For seismic installations, the clip must be screwed into the blade and the grid. Any angle can then be dialed in. When hanging METALWORKS blades, the same audible click occurs when the clip engages the top flange of the blade. Once the blade is engaged, it can be slid forward or backward into its final position. When connecting blades with no end caps end to end, the 7205 alignment device slides, connects, and aligns opposing blades perfectly. Adding an additional cross tee for off-module blade placement? Simply add another cross tee using the GC3W 3-way clip to attach that tee. Blades can be cut by a metal cutting compound miter saw or circular saw. Here you see the black fleeced, sound-absorbing material inside the cut blade. Notice, when you cut a blade, you interrupt the unperforated border around the perimeter of the blade. You can recreate that unperforated visual into a cut blade with the 8158 field cut end cap. The end cap is directional. Be sure to install the end with the hole and open flange up. These features provide clearance for the upper vertical portion of the blade. METALWORKS blades can achieve an open cell look, combined with excellent acoustical performance. To understand METALWORKS blade coverage and sound absorption for your space, contact Armstrong Techline for a customized reverberation calculation. To achieve even higher open cell sound absorption, with pliers, depress the upper attachment clips and install CALLA or LYRA black lay-in panels. Even though it looks complex, this creative sunburst pattern took only 30 minutes to install. The versatile blade attachment clip rotates to engage blades at any angle to the square suspension system. Learn more about blades at armstrongceilings.com/blades.